Doing is making some bratwurst. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our hog casing soaked. These hog casings are packed in salt. So let's go ahead and let them soak for a half hour. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our meat cut up. So we're gonna cut these. I'm gonna cut these into about a golf ball size cubes. Cut it to however big your grinder will take. Trim out any of this fat because you need about 30% fat. So now we got both of our butts cut up, and they say that you could use 1 6-ounce shaker per 12 pounds, so we'll just go ahead and start adding this. Okay, so let's go ahead and start shoving some of this meat in. You want to go ahead and shove some meat down in there so you don't start it up dry. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of this in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn on the grinder. So let's try to get a casing on over here. Back as far as it'll go. I think it's overstuffed. Okay, so this time I put on a bigger tube, see if that helps me out. Hopefully it does. all about the speed, apparently. Speed and attention. It's looking a lot better than that first one. I did see a hole in this casing, so hopefully it don't burst on me. Okay, so we got it all stuffed. This massive failure here was my first attempt at stuffing. So then I had the smaller tube on there. So I thought, well, maybe I'll put a bigger tube on, and this is what I got on my second time, which looks a heck of a lot better. This was my third, my fourth, and my fifth. So I definitely did get better as I went along. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link these just like I did with these, and then let them sit in the fridge for 24 hours so the casings will dry, and then I can cut them apart and vacuum seal, pack them. So let me go ahead and get on into that. So we're back here the next morning and gonna go ahead and get these things linked up. Cut the links apart, I should say. So now we got all our bags made. We're going to go ahead and use our Food Saver vacuum sealer to vacuum seal these sausage up. I got 3 per bag, and got 10 bags. So let's go ahead and vacuum seal it. So we'll go ahead and hit our vac and seal button. Sealing. Wait till that red light goes out. Open it up. You got a freshly packed pack of brats. Okay, so we got 30 sausages off of a little under 12 pounds of meat. So if you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Let's get one fried up.